Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure Snapchat is updated because versions change where features live. Open iPhone settings and go directly to General right arrow keyboard. This is where extensions live. Once you tap keyboards, you'll see Snapchat's keyboard listed if enabled. Don't delay, tap Edit or the info icon beside Snapchat to access controls. You're doing this first because system settings override app preferences, and that's how you fully disable the keyboard extension. Now remove the extension. In the keyboards list, locate Snapchat keyboard and either tap Edit or swipe left on that item, then select Delete or Remove. Once removed, the system won't load Snapchat as a keyboard for any app. Make sure to also check third-party keyboards permissions if present, because iOS may re-add or request full access. After deletion, restart the app you use for typing to ensure the change takes effect immediately across messages and forms. Finish by rebooting the phone to clear any cached keyboard sessions. This guarantees the extension is unloaded. If Snapchat's keyboard reappears, open Snapchat's in-app settings and revoke any keyboard or clipboard permissions, then repeat the removal in settings right arrow General right arrow keyboard. If you still see it, revoke full access for third-party keyboards and reinstall Snapchat only after verifying the keyboard is gone. One troubleshooting tip: sign out of Snapchat and back in, then check keyboard list again. That often forces the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.